I am launching a unique course in the latest Audacity, and it will work for any type of voiceover. I will explain in a bit why it is unique. Let's see first which type of voiceover will benefit from this course. It will work for audiobook narration, professional voice acting, solo podcasts, etc. Please note that interview or co-host podcasts need a different approach to editing. This course is suited for solo podcasts, content creation voiceovers, radio voiceovers, online training voiceovers, or any type of generic voiceover you can think of. You may wonder how a single course can help you achieve all these goals at once. Well, the unique structure of this course will help you with that. It is a 30-day email-delivered course with 9 modules or chapters. Each email will have all the detailed information to learn about that day's topic. The information will be delivered to you in the form of texts, screenshots, videos, my own blog posts, etc. Sometimes you will get assignments, and I will check the assignments and give you feedback. This method of learning is more effective than just watching video courses. Because with traditional courses, all the learning responsibilities fall on your shoulders. Email-delivered courses push you every day to learn something, to do something. Previously, I have conducted 14-day email-delivered courses, and the participants quickly developed the skill to produce ACX quality audio. This time I designed the course in a way so that you never have to worry about audio quality or using Audacity. The first 4 modules are fundamentals. In the rest of the modules, you will learn how to perform a particular task in Audacity. In this way, you will learn both Audacity and the actual use case of your Audacity learning. The program or course will start from August 2nd. Enrollment in this email-delivered course will be off once the course starts. You can see the timer on this page. During the making of this video, less than 24 hours remain to enroll. You can participate in this course in 2 ways. You can click on the Enroll button and purchase only this course. Or better, you can take my Audacity bundle. If you purchase the bundle now, I will add you to the email-delivered course for free. I have a couple of courses and macros on the bundle. If you take the bundle now, you can get both those courses and this email-delivered course. All the links will be in the description and pinned comments. If you want to have audio editing skills to win more voiceover jobs or want to produce pristine quality audio, this course will help. You can also read the testimonials from my students. If you do not want to miss this opportunity, enroll before the offer disappears.